See your ID real quick?
I don't want to.
What's that?
I don't want to show you my ID.
Alright, just pull over here to the side.
Yeah, you want to close my trunk or?
You can pull over like that.
Alright, I guess.
What's going on, boss?
Nothing, you sir?
Good, good. Can I lean here?
Of course, let me put it down for you, man.
All right.
What's
Where
up?
you headed to, boss? You
Alright.
mind talking to me?
I already told him, yeah, I can talk to you. I already told him I'm going to San Antonio, man. And then he told me if I have anything in my trunk. I was like, of course, I have my firearm, you know? And then, I don't know, for some reason he asked me for my ID, maybe to see, my driver's license, maybe to see if I'm like old enough to, you know, have it with me.
Okay.
And, he asked me for documentation also. And
what kind of documentation did he ask you for?
If you know, for my gun, I believe, if you know, you're not supposed to ask any questions, you know.
In regards to what?
And anything. I do not give him any.
What's up?
I thought you were gonna get it. I was like, I don't give you any searches or seizures for anything, you know. Because I have my own rights, you know. But I don't come to make you guys a hard day. I'm just going because my car it's shaking really bad. I need to go fix it, man. And
so you're saying that I don't have any authority to do what?
Oh, like grab my gun or seize my car for anything. You know, I have my own rights. You want to show me the law? Yeah, go ahead. I know it.
All right. Well, this is your little souvenir for you today.
Before a single ID is handed over, before a single question is answered, this 18-year-old finds himself surrounded by federal agents who seem very confident about their authority and very unclear about the law. What starts as a routine border checkpoint instantly escalates into a tense constitutional standoff involving firearms, immigration questions, and the ever-blurry line between what officers want versus what they're legally allowed to do. And here's where it gets interesting. From the very beginning, this young man is calm, direct, and surprisingly well-versed in his rights. He doesn't run. He doesn't lie. He openly discloses that he has a firearm, something most people are told never to do. Yet instead of defusing the situation, that honesty seems to invite more pressure, more questioning, and more attempts to stretch authority. As this unfolds, you'll notice shifting justifications, circular questioning, and a growing frustration on both sides. Is this lawful enforcement, or a fishing expedition? Is this about safety, or compliance? And at what point does doing the job cross into testing how far someone can be pushed? Stick with us, because what you're about to see is a real-time chess match between perceived power and actual rights, and the ending may surprise you.
Go ahead.
So anyways, hey man, okay, so you said you were, where were you born?
Here in Eagle Pass, Texas.
Eagle Pass?
Yes, sir.
Alright, do you have any documentation proving that you were born in the United States?
I have my driver's license.
Your driver's license?
Yeah, I have my driver's license.
My passport or anything like that?
No, I don't have to show you that though. But I'm like being straight up. I'm born in the United States, yeah, and Eagle Pass, Texas too.
Well, can you prove that you were born in the United States?
I don't have to prove. That's the thing.
Well, I have reason to believe that you weren't born in the United States.
Well, I'm talking English, so therefore you don't have no reason. You're making it hard for yourself and me. Who's your supervisor?
He's right here.
All right, can I talk to him, please?
Yeah, he's gonna call around your side.
All right, please, tell him. I don't give him no reason for him to take pictures either. Look, he's taking pictures and on my own property, man. My own property, taking pictures of my own property. Hey, why are you taking pictures of my plates? Curious, why are you taking pictures of my plates? Why are you taking pictures of my plates?
Oh, you come through here all the time.
And on my guns, yeah, and I'm real direct, right? And I'm pretty sure you know me.
Hey, whose rifle is that?
It's mine, sir. It's mine. It's under my name and everything. See, they're making me.
Can we run the?
No, yes, I do.
Can we run it?
No, you cannot run it. It's under mine, and just because I'm 18 doesn't give you guys the right to do all this. Just how you guys have the right to bear arms, am I right? I have the right to bear.
I've given you one of these pamphlets before. You haven't read the last couple pamphlets that we've given you?
Oh my god.
Because the states are authority to run this checkpoint. This is not the first time we've had interaction.
Of course, but you don't have the right to go through my gun.
Every time you seem to have a problem.
No, I don't have a problem, man. No, I don't have a problem, man. You know, I mean, I told the guy, I don't know who stopped me. He asked me if I had anything in the trunk. I was being direct. I told him I got my firearm. I don't have no reason to tell you guys why I have it for. Maybe I'm gonna go clean it.
We're not asking for a reason. We just gotta make sure that it's not a stolen weapon.
It's not a stolen weapon. I wouldn't have it if it's a stolen weapon. It wouldn't be how it is if it's a stolen weapon. You understand where I'm coming from?
Okay.
So therefore, I don't give you no authorization, sir. You know, and I don't want to have a big time here with you guys. You know, like I'm 18, man. You know, like come on, you know. And if you
right here is where the power dynamic starts to crack. Notice how quickly the tone shifts once the driver asserts himself, not aggressively, not disrespectfully, but clearly. He asks a simple question, what for? And that question matters more than most people realize. In constitutional law, authority doesn't exist just because someone wears a badge. It has to be justified, articulated, and tied to a lawful purpose. When officers say they just need to run records, that's not automatically valid unless there's legal cause to do so. And what you're seeing here is a common tactic, casual language meant to normalize compliance. Right quick. Just let me see.
You wanna, like, because you're the law, if you wanna go ahead and not do the rights how you're supposed to, go ahead. I'm all recording everything. Everything's gonna be recorded. And if anything goes not the way it's supposed to go, I'll be showing it to whatever.
Let's just supposed to go.
Cause I've dealt with this before, you know. And
okay,
you guys
supposed to go? How is it supposed to go?
Oh, not supposed to. But look, I'm passing.
Tell us how it's supposed to go.
I'm passing. Well, I'm just trying to go out my way, man. Am I detained? Am I detained? Am I detained?
That's the way it's supposed to go.
Am I detained?
You show up.
Am I detained?
Ask immigration questions.
You don't have to ask no questions. That's the thing.
I don't have to ask any questions.
No, you don't have to. And by law, I can tell you I don't answer questions, man.
Under INA 287A3 doesn't allow me to search and board or search board vehicles.
If you have probable cause, you don't have no probable cause, man.
I need probable cause to ask you for immigration.
You see, you just switched it up on me now. Now you said that you for you to search my car, not for you to ask questions. What do you want, man? For real, you're wasting my time and your time. What do you want?
Proof that you were born in the United States.
I don't need to show you proof. There you go.
So I'm not allowed to do my.
Here's where most viewers' jaws drop. The driver voluntarily discloses that there's a firearm in the trunk, legally owned, legally possessed. That's not required in many jurisdictions, but he does it anyway, seemingly in good faith. And instead of clarity, it opens the door to suspicion. This is a critical lesson. Honesty alone does not limit an officer's response, knowledge does. Firearms are emotionally charged, especially at checkpoints, and mentioning one instantly raises the stakes. But legally speaking, possession does not equal probable cause. Lawful ownership does not justify searches, seizures, or prolonged detention. Watch how quickly the narrative shifts from "where are you going" to "are you allowed to have that" to "we need documentation." That's not accidental. It's an attempt to find something actionable. And the driver, despite his age, recognizes that distinction. He's not refusing because he's hiding anything, he's refusing because the law doesn't require compliance here. That difference is everything.
Look, now you're being. Can you get off my car now, please?
What are you gonna do?
No, nothing. I just want to pick up my window a little bit. There you go.
All right.
I don't want you to lean on my car now, just because you're being a little man, for real. I'm trying to go up.
I'm being.
Tell us that we are little or something like that, okay?
Please
don't cross the line.
I have my freedom
of
of speech.
You,
of course. Look, I don't want to talk to you. I want to talk to your supervisor.
The supervisor is there.
Yeah, but I want to talk to him. He's not even doing.
One of the most controversial aspects of checkpoint encounters, immigration questioning without individualized suspicion. Listen closely. The officer asks where he was born, then immediately asks for proof. Not because of evidence, but because of doubt. That's a slippery slope. Speaking English. Driving a certain vehicle. Being young. None of these are lawful indicators of immigration status. Yet the burden subtly shifts onto the citizen to prove belonging. And that's where constitutional alarms should be going off for everyone watching. The driver repeatedly states a fundamental principle: you don't have to prove citizenship unless lawfully required. That's not defiance, that's the presumption of innocence in action. When the officer claims to have reason to believe without articulating facts, it raises an uncomfortable question: is this enforcement or profiling? And more importantly, would this enter?
You could ask me all you want. I don't have to answer you. That's the thing. I don't answer questions. So what do you want? Am I detained?
I need probable cause.
You don't need probable cause. You don't need
to talk to you and make questions in regards to your immigration.
No, you don't.
I do need a probable cause, or I do.
No, you're just trying to switch it up on me, man.
Do I need?
I already told you. I want to talk to him. I don't want to talk to you. I want to talk to your supervisor. All right? Thank you. I don't want to talk to you anymore.
Well, listen. I need probable cause to ask you for your citizenship. Is that what you're telling me?
No, you don't.
All right. No, so what is it that I need?
You don't need anything. I don't have to answer my questions, man. I don't have to. No, it's like me telling you. Oh, let me see yours. Let me see that you're born from the United States.
You don't have to identify.
I know my rights. So therefore, you guys are gonna lose with me. Just so you guys know, you guys are gonna lose with me.
Hold on.
Yeah. Hold on. Don't talk to me because I don't want to talk to you.
Excuse me? Are you saying that you don't have to identify yourself as an American citizen?
I don't have to. I'm already talking English.
You have to. You passing my name.
Pay attention to the photography issue here. Taking pictures of license plates, vehicles, and firearms may seem minor, but it's symbolic. Documentation is power. And when someone objects, it's often less about legality and more about boundaries. The driver challenges the behavior, not with insults, but with questions. Why are you taking photos? What authority allows that? And notice the response, not a clear legal explanation, but vague justification. Curious. That's not a legal standard. This is where encounters often become psychological. Officers test compliance through persistence, repetition, and physical presence, leaning on the car, standing close, talking over the driver. None of it is overtly illegal, but all of it is designed to assert dominance. And yet, the driver stays firm. He records. He documents. He narrates. That alone shifts the balance, because accountability thrives in daylight.
Are you saying that only people that speak
I don't
English?
have to.
You have to prove us that you are
No, I
legal in the
don't. No, I
United
don't.
States. Yes, you
No,
are.
because I've already passed, and I've told I'm from the United States, and they let me go.
No,
So therefore,
nobody asked you
yeah.
that
I have a lot of videos of me just saying I'm from the United
my
States.
God. Okay.
Give me a second.
So, yeah, I don't want to talk to him. Get away from here. Get away from here. Look, you're touching my car. I didn't let you touch my car.
Hey, brother.
Okay, don't touch my car.
Hey, big dog. Give me a second.
Hey, he's touching my car, and I'm not letting him touch my car.
There you
Just
go.
give me a second.
No touching
Yeah,
your
don't
car.
touch my car.
Yeah, I'm not touching your
Yeah,
car.
don't touch
Yeah.
it because
Thank you.
don't touch it, nigga.
Stay there.
I am gonna stay here.
Go ahead. Is it alright if I close your trunk?
Of course it is, sir.
Well, you said you didn't want anybody touching your trunk.
Okay, I'm telling you, of course it is, right?
Well, I just want to make sure.
Of course it is. You can go ahead and close it, sir.
You said that the firearm belongs to you?
Of course it does, sir.
Is a masterclass in how confusion is weaponized. Detained or not detained? Probable cause or not needed? Immigration questions versus searches? The officer's explanations shift, sometimes mid-sentence, and that's not accidental. When authority becomes unclear, people default to compliance out of fear. But the driver refuses to fill in the gaps for them. He keeps asking the same question, am I detained? And notice how difficult it is for them to answer directly. Because a clear answer has legal consequences, this is why knowing specific phrases matters. I don't answer questions. Am I being detained? I do not consent. These aren't magic words, they're legal boundaries. And while the conversation grows tense, the law doesn't change just because voices rise. That's a powerful takeaway for anyone watching.